Don't cut yourself.
All right, Dad, that's from Dan Leach on YouTube. Wanted me to record this, so you open it. So.
All right. Well, okay. Mighty kind of him.
I didn't get too nuts with the old wrapping. I don't think I did.
The duct tape. The pain behind.
There is no duct tape there. It's all packing tape.
Packing tape.
That packing tape is good shit.
Yeah.
Can't get through.
It's the next evolution.
All right. So we're down to the United States Postal Service box.
Yep.
Mechanics use tools.
Unlike Anna, who just uses her claws to rip through
Brute
shit.
Kind of makes you nervous, that kind of force she has there, Mike.
Yeah, it's kind of scary if she can just, rip through all that stuff.
Rip your throat open in one. All right, what we got here?
You got a box
Another
in a
box.
box.
A box in a box.
What's in that box?
Another box.
Well, we're going to find out, though. Okay.
You got a thing.
Got something
I
there.
probably wouldn't go yanking by
I
that.
don't think I will. I've got a feeling it's some kind
It's a plastic
of
straw.
a tic-tac-tock or something.
It's a metal straw with a cup.
Hell yeah.
Remember right, that is the original Tic-Tac out of his car he restored.
No kidding.
And he wanted to give that to us to use in Jezebel or whatever, so
Huh?
figured your car's more appropriate to get a Tic-Tac.
There's a clock and a tachometer. It was the original equipment. A 69, 70 Dodge Charger or B-body. Thank you very much.
Yep. From Dan Leach.
They're getting kind of wrecked.
They're expensive.
Put the tachometer out there and the clock in there. And we can put that right in my dash in my Charger. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Dan. Just want to thank you again, Dan Leach. That was cool as shit.
Yep. Thank
Yeah.
you very much. Merry Christmas.
The only sucky part is we're going to take Dad's dash all the way apart. We'll get her. We'll get her. Are you ready, Mom?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I am.
Watch out, CJ. What is it, Mom?
It's a toolbox.
What'd you want for Christmas?
A toolbox.
Oh my God. That's a little weird. Get all over it.
Can't stick down.
Yeah, put the cancer stick down, Mom. Doctor's orders. On my behalf. Look at that. It almost even rolls in the gravel. That's pretty cool.
Hey, turn over the keys. One
Love it.
fancy green toolbox. You have to unlock it.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
Thank you.
That's from all of us.
You have to unlock it so I can get in the bottom. Other way, it's upside down.
Oh, yeah, how to work it.
Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning.
You can figure it out, Mom.
There you go.
Just don't lock your keys in there.
Oh, I won't. Oh my gosh. Woohoo!
Well, we got you this one because you got way more storage space.
Yes.
And plus you can get a top box to go on top of it and hold even more crap that you don't need.
These thingies are in case you want to label your drawers.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
And some of it fell out in the bottom drawer.
That's all right. Oh my gosh.
Let me fix this one.
You go for it, girl.
And don't try and pick it up on your own, even empty, because you ain't gonna happen.
It's pretty heavy, believe it or not. That took quite a bit just getting it loaded up and everything. I can't believe Michael's been doing all this by himself.
Yeah, it
Pretty
kicked,
good boxes. Same box I had in my service truck for about 3 years.
Oh wow.
it kicked my ass getting into the house. That's for sure.
Yeah,
Loading it up.
I can't believe you did all that yourself.
kicked my ass.
Where's the handprints?
Well, we're doing the handprints now, Mom.
That's it.
Gotta do the handprints.
It's been boxed up.
Yep.
Yeah, but we gotta do the handprints.
Let's do the handprints.
Not in their hair. I don't care. Anywhere but their hair.
Michael.
It washes off easy, I promise.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Just-
No. Hey, I have to go to work tomorrow. Don't get it all over me.
He got it on my face too. Don't worry. Okay.
You got a little hand.
I got.
Oh, really?
There you go.
My hand's out
I
of
get
there.
paint and glitter.
Do you want hers on there too? Come on.
Dad, so I can get that glitter we can put it on your hand.
No.
Okay.
Ah,
Anna, you gotta get your hand painted.
Now, how am I gonna know whose is whose?
you're gonna, once it dries, you're
That
gonna
needs some
label it.
finger
Okay.
paint. He's probably needs
Now smash your face.
a
Wash
magic
your hand.
mark. There you go.
Okay.
You do that.
Who's next?
Mikey needs some more paint.
We might need more paint. The paint's drying. I got it. No, I don't.
I imagine afterwards you could probably put like a spray coat of like.
Something like so.
I got some fresh paint here, Dana.
Oh, hold on.
I think we're all gonna need to get like a little bit of fresh paint here. Wow, that looks like crap.
Why did we go get a? You know what?
Well, I'm afraid if we would have done magic marker, it may not have worked. Ooh, that smells.
Yeah, close enough.
You want me to put my hand on there too?
on there?
If you want to.
Mom wanted you. Mom, you want Anna on there?
If she wants to.
Oh my God, Mom, you got stuff on your face.
I know, Mikey did it.
Straighten out your hand.
Papa, you gotta do yours.
Anna, you need to go get the glitter.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay, who's next?
There's another side, too.
This still ain't even right.
What?
It comes off.
Dad? Dad?
Where? Here?
Alrighty then. Whoa, no.
Ah! Fine.
No. Back. Oh my God, Anna, everywhere.
Oh, poor
I
Anna.
even got her teeth. She took me to the ground.
Get Grandpa over here.
I don't know how to put my name on.
Oh, I gotta get Grandpa over here.
Put mine on upside down.
You want Grandpa to do his hand?
It's all over me though.
Grandpa, you gotta come over here.
That's really bad, but you know what? We
You gotta do your.
I tell you how crippled up my hand is. I
You want your hand on there?
can't even see my fingers in there.
Want mine?
Sure you don't want to?
It's dry.
Hers is dry.
All right, who's got the? How you wash this out?
Soap and water.
Grandpa, you gotta put your handprint on here
Why?
Get over here.
because it's for Mom.
You gotta get there.
Sure you don't want to?
See, when I did my handprint,
Get over here.
you know, little Michael
I
Palm
don't
will
have
take
any
mine,
good first.
but I got short little fingers. Short little fingers.
As far
Got
as my
stubby
handle
fingers.
Not
You'll have
good
to
side.
have
I was
it.
showing
Yeah, I'm sure.
the guys at the restaurant, my hand wouldn't turn. You putting yours on there, Ann?
You can.
It's fine.
All right, Grandpa.
Stop.
Don't put it on no more. There you go.
That wasn't very good.
It works. It's okay.
It's close enough.
I don't know why.
You're just thumbless.
Yeah, you don't have a thumb, Grandpa.
Yep. No thumb.
Why?
Who's okay? last.
Alyssa.
No, I'm good.
Alyssa don't want to. She's being a little weenie.
On your shirt?
No, I don't care. This is an art shirt anyway. There's supposed to be paint on it.
Chris doesn't want to do
Mama, put some on my hand. I'm gonna decorate the inside.
Well, you did
No,
good
I
one.
need a little bit on my hand. Just a little. Stop.
Anna, you look pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
With your raccoon makeup, it definitely works.
It's like you just shaved.
I want raccoon makeup.
5 o'clock shadow.
Oh, is that right?
Jet dyed my goatee black.
Michael, you missed a little bit on your.
I know. Be alright.
Yeah. What?
Just more paint. Here, Nicole, give me the brush.
Yeah, don't put it on the vehicle.
Now Anna's got to do hers.
Give me your hand.
Oh God, I'm running for the hills when this is done. I know where this is going to end, actually.
Uh-oh, I need the camera.
Yeah.
Your goatee goes in.
I'm not going to touch anything.
When you're done, Mom, you just click that little square.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you're good.
I want more of the pen so I can decorate the book.
Well, I was going to say, well, I got the wrong paint. This is
No, this is the only paint that I have.
Starting to put Texas dog decent.
That's what I was smelling.
Here, do you need more paint? To write your name.
Yeah, it looks like we all jerked off some Indonesians. Yeah. Oh, that's on camera.
Did Anna get the cutest little handprint in the world?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do I mean? What's my
No.
Give me the brush.
No.
Give me the brush.
What you doing, Mom?
What happened, son? I love you, son.
Oh, I already took a shower.
You also have to take another one.
Thanks, Mom.
No problem, honey.
Oh,
I was trying to help you, Anna.
Hey, I'm too nice to you. You know that.
Oh, you should have got her with the other hand. Oh. Merry Christmas, Mom.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
One right. There's another space right there.
On both sides, though.
Merry Christmas, everybody. From Scott family.